Hello everyone, I welcome you all in our another DS session where we will be solving a new DSA problem in C++. If you haven't checked our playlist, the playlist is ready. I will be uploading all the DSA questions here so you can check out. So let's start our today's DSA session by saying Har Har Mahadev. So our today's question is Leetcode 13, Roman to integer. Let's read out our question so you will be getting it more clear. Here it is written that a Roman number is represented by 7 different symbols which are I, V, X, L, C, D, M, and their values are given as I represent a value 1, V represented a value 5, X represent a value 10, L represent a value 50, C represent a value 100, D represent a value 500, M represent a value 1000. Here there is an example which is given that, for example, 2 is written as II in Roman numerical, just two ones added together. That means I plus another I gives us a value 2. Here 12 is written as XII, which simply means we have to add X element which is 10, and we have to add two more I elements which will be giving us output 12. Similarly, it is for 27. Let's read out. Here it is given that Roman numbers are usually written largest to smallest from left to right. However, the numerical for 4 is not 4 i's. Instead, the number 4 is written as IV. In simple words, it is given that our number 4 is not represented as 4i, but it is represented as I and V. The reason is given that because 1 is before the 5, we subtract it makes 4. The same principle applies to the number 9, which is written as IX. There are 6 instances where subtraction is used, which are 4, 5. Then for L element, we will be subtracting X. For C element, we will be subtracting X. For D element, we will be subtracting C, which will be giving us 400. For M element, we will be subtracting C, which will be giving us 900. So given an Roman numerical, convert it into an integer. So we are given this Roman numericals means symbols, and we have to convert this into our integers, which is as follows. So here we have to satisfy these examples and write such a suitable code for our problem statement. So let's write a code so you'll be getting it more clear. Let's declare an unordered map consisting of a character and an integer, and let's give a name as Roman value. Now we'll be writing characters, means that means we'll be writing Roman symbols, and then we will be initializing its value next to it. Similarly, we will be writing for all. Now we will be initializing a integer result as 0. Now we will be starting a for loop for our I at 0th vector, giving its range till our length of string, which is s. I smaller than s dot. Till that we will be incrementing our I. Now inside a for loop we will be writing if else condition. If our I, which is current element, is smaller than length, then we'll be checking it with our Roman number, which is Roman value of current element is smaller than the size of string, then we will be simply subtracting our result. we will be subtracting our result. Now we will be writing a else condition. Here, else we will simply add the current Roman to our result. Now we will be writing our end statement to call out our result. Now let's check our code. It is running or not. Yes, we have got an error on line number 13 and 14. It is saying that accepted error. Here we have not declared our I. Now let's check it again. Code is accepted. We can submit it. Yes, it has beat 77.06 of users in C++. You can check it.